Today I will probably show you one of the easiest methods to make money online in 2022, maybe this is the easiest method. All you have to do is to register on the site that I will talk about in this video, take a few steps and you will be paid. Of course, you won't make a lot of money with this method, but because it's a simple way that anyone can use, I decided to demonstrate this idea to you. But, before starting, I want to thank you for watching this video, for liking this video, and of course thank you very much for subscribing to the channel. This is the nicest gesture of gratitude for my work and the information that I offer it for you. I remind you that every week I publish an idea for making money online, so don't forget to press the bell to be the first to know about the next method. Money from advertising and clicks, that's what we'll talk about today. I assume that you all know that it is possible to make money just by looking at the advertisement or making a few clicks, then let me show you how you can do that. In today's video I will demonstrate this platform. As usual I will write the link in the description so that you can find it more easily. This is what the main page looks like. Here you can see how much money has already been paid for users. As you can see the amount is very high. You can also see the number of members. How does this happen? Click ads, earn money, and cash out. Here you can see more details, how much is paid for one click, what is the minimum payout amount, by which methods we can withdraw the money, and others. So, let's start with the beginning. Register. You must write your name, select date of birth, username, password and email address. Below, choose the method by which you want to receive the money. If you are not yet registered on any method from this list for withdrawing money, then write a comment that you want me to make a video about these payment methods, and if there will be enough requests, then I will make a video. After you have filled in all the spaces, press register. After we have registered, click on account to see the details of our account. Name. How long we have been a member. Our account balance. Statistics and others. Here is the withdraw. Here we will withdraw the money. As we see and I said earlier, we must have at least $2 in the account to be able to withdraw. So you can navigate further to get to know all the menus in our account. Okay, how is the money made? We click view ads to click ads and receive money. We click on the ad we want to see. Now we have to wait until this space is filled with green and some drawings will appear. Now we have to click the upside down picture. Very good, now we move on to the next advertisement, but I want to try to open several advertisements at the same time to see if we can make more money at the same time. It seems to be going as we want. We have an error. Here we still have an error. However, the system does not allow us to open several advertisements at the same time. I try once more to open only one ad. Perfect, it works. The conclusion is that we have to open each advertisement in turn. This is one of the ways you can make money on this site. If we go to the main menu and choose the Earn More button, then we will see more tools, for example the first tool, Scarlet Grid. Here we see those who have recently won money. Click to win up to $1. All you have to do is press one of these squares and you can win money. You have a total of 20 chances. I have 17 chances left, because I have already used 3 of them. Let's try. We are waiting again for the green color to load. Your click has been validated, but you were not a winner this time. You have 16 chances left for today. Unfortunately, I didn't win, but I still have 16 chances. Try your luck in the same way. You can still browse the site to see what other options you have. Once again, I thank you very much for supporting the channel with likes and subscriptions. This is a great encouragement for me. If you want to know more ideas to make money, then you can see some important links in the description. See you in the next videos.